Guys, bonjour, how are you? How's everybody? Thanks for the fantastic comments and thumbs up. You give me some great advice. I'm just an Englishman, just blundering along in the Maltese way of life, just trying to find some nice places to go to, cooking little bits that I enjoy, just having fun. Listen, today I'm going to do, and I don't know the exact name of it, I've got some lovely fresh and pickled, these are the elements of this Ħobż biż-żejt. But Ħobż biż-żejt, always known it as a Ħobż. This is it. This is a ftira, small ftira. Do you remember seeing that big one I did, a burger? You can buy the big one. That used to be the traditional one. But now they notice that a lot of people want to take to the beach. Really, this is an open beach sandwich in English. Full of important elements that you just can't miss. They're important things, and I'm sure people are going to tell me that they do differently because every family does differently. Every place in Malta got an idea, and even when you go to buy it, you find this, wow, that's nice, what did they put in there? So everybody's got their own idea. So I'm not sure the exact name. Open sandwich, take it to the beach, eat it at home. Conserva, you put elements of fish in there. You can do sardines or tuna. Salad, some onions, some cheese, capers. Let me show you what I've got. This is conserva, tomato paste. They've got zabuch, kapar and beans. They can use white or red beans. ġbejna, it's a Maltese cheese. Red onions, a little bit of salad. Giardiniera, mixed pepper, pickles together, vegetables mixed together. You can use pickled onion. It's important element of pickle in there. And tuna, Tuna zejt, just a tin of tuna. Zejt, zabucha, and salt and pepper. Those are the elements you need. You need a good crusty bread. You need some herbs with the salad, basil, or and mint. You need a paste. You can use tomato if you want. Don't use fresh tomatoes. Use them a little bit old, or leave them out for a few days so they go a bit soft, so you can squash those sort of squashy ones. Some kind of cheese. It's nice ġbejna with the pepper in it. There's a salad mixed into it. These are all optionals, and they're all different ways to do it. These are elements that build up this sandwich. Giardiniera, it's like a pickled vegetables. You can pickle your own as well. It's very, very easy. I used to have a friend that did them. Just chop up some very small vegetables, cauliflower, carrots. There's all sorts in there. Celery. It's got it's got all sorts of things in there. And then some kind of fish element. Sardines. Tin of sardines. Or a tin of tuna. It needs that sort of fishy thing. Always needs extra virgin olive oil if you can find Maltese. Good for you. Salt and pepper. That's to taste. So you cut the bread. I did it already. Cut it down, slice it open. Put some conserva. This is tomato paste from the tin. Put as much as you want if you like the taste. Obviously put less if you don't like too many tomatoes. Important to use thick tomato paste. Don't use tin tomatoes. You don't really get that sort of strong Mediterranean taste. This is a really healthy meal. Open beach sandwich. Get it ready. When the kids come from school, they have it. Or when you're going to... most of the times I don't make it. I just go and buy it from there. It's a lot easier. Some salt and pepper. As much as you want, as much as you enjoy. Even I've been known to put some chili in there. Put some oil. As much as you want in it. Give it a rub together. You're going to get that sort of consistency. A lot of people, I don't do it, but a lot of people actually mix it in a bowl. But I do it a bit different. But you can do that. Get a bowl. dump everything in, give it a good mix up. Those that do a lot of sandwiches do that. So you've got like a, but I like the elements, you know, like you put it in a little bit here, put a bit there, so you don't get that sort of mushiness together. But I enjoy it, putting it in myself. So I put a bit of tuna here, put as much as you want, as much, whatever you like, the different ones. You can do it that way. You can get a mixing bowl, dump everything in, mix it around. But then I find like you've got like a bit of a mush together. I'll put some salad, onions, giardiniera, chop them a bit small so you haven't got that big crunch of a. It's important to put a pickle in here, guys. It's very, very nice to, you come across it. Whoa, that one's for the so some kind of beans. White beans is traditional, but I have some kidney beans. Sprinkle it around, put it where you want it. Wow, this ready. I put a little bit more on the top of oil. You can do what you want, it's your sandwich. And I like a little bit of pepper, so I make sure it gets. You can do that if you want. You do like a bowl and then you put the salt and pepper in to taste or whatever you think like that. And I've got this ġbejna. This is to put on after. Put it where you want, put as much as you want on it. You can buy this with herbs, with pepper, with chili. Oh, there's lots of flies coming around here. I've got some mint and basil. I'll put that on the top. You can put dried if you want. Oregano is nice. Some people put that. I'll give you a show of this. We're going to dig into it, guys. Shall we go for the whole Ftira? There's a friend of mine, he runs, Chris. Hello, Chris. He watches my videos. He runs a lotto, the Super 5, and he's a nice guy. He was saying, you bought that Ftira, you bought it too big when I did the burger. That was the idea. Well, Chris, this is for you. I'm going to go for this. Everything in. Maybe we have a bit extras. Sometimes you cut it. I'm going to go for it. Oh. Actually, there's a bit more space. Could put something else in there. You know you've got those elements. Sardines are nice as well. Tin of sardines. Put them across. There is no now. There's a guy in Marshall Schlock that I went over. He made one with fresh sardines. It was out of this world. He got all the, you know, you can do it really rustic. I know I've got those in containers. They just like grab bits and put it in. Pull the bread open. Don't even need a knife. When we went fishing, just pull the bread like this, put the conserva. It's not, you can do a spoon, put the oil, then you just rub them together. So you don't need any knives, no forks. Put the salad in there, put the giardiniera in there, important capers, give it that salty element. Zejt zaboja, the best you can find. If you can find more of these. Lovely sort of greenish ones. It's makes a big difference, but buy the best you can. It's not big enough, Chris. He's a nice guy. He doesn't give me any winning tickets though. Something wrong there. Oh, imagine this guy. You're out in the beach, all those beautiful girls going past, bikinis. You've got one of these, a nice beer, which I didn't get. I forgot to get today. Sun beating down, can go and cool off in the water. And you got one of these. What more is there in life? Hope you enjoyed it. Ħobż biż-żejt. Tell me, experts, if there's a name for it. I think it's just ħobż biż-żejt mimli bil Tuna zejt or something like that. In Maltese, in English you would say it's an open Maltese sandwich. I've heard it called that before. I know at the beach they call it a ħobża. It's all ready, you buy it in the plastic. And it's not that expensive actually. You can just go for the day and just have a couple of those and have a beer or take some drinks with you. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. This is my lunch today. The only thing I substitute is I use the kidney beans instead of white beans. They make it in sort of a garlic oily paste. You can put some begilla in as well. I've had one, so you know the begilla with the beans is a Maltese paste. I've had one with those in as well. You just an element of it. You know what I like to do? A lot of people make a bowl and they put everything in, mash it around. Don't make it too mashed because everything breaks up. The giardiniera breaks up. You want everything. That's why I like to do it separately. You can have that little bit element of fish, not too mashed. Then you put the salad on top and then put the cheese on top. It's a winner though, guys. See you guys. Hope you're enjoying your Saturday here. Live tomorrow. Don't forget, come and see me. I'm giving away things. I've got this a very cunning plan of a question. I think no one's going to get this tomorrow. So 1300 on Sunday here. Hope it's not too windy, but it looks like it's going to be a nice weekend. I think it's over 30. So come over 1300 hours, we'll have a chat, chit chat, ask me some questions, or if you want to, we talk about the videos in the week, what I've got planned and what's happening with you. This will be going up next week, I think, maybe about Tuesday. So you'll probably see it on Tuesday. So you'll be talking about the next live every Sunday, 1300 hours. Come and have a chat. Bye guys. Anything you want to ask me down below, there's some links to my Facebook and to Holiday Malta. That's a nice group. You can come and share your pictures of experiences in Malta. Holiday Malta and Englishman in Malta. Links below. Thanks guys, hope you enjoy it. Ħobż biż-żejt bil-kollox. Zabuċ, kapar, beans, Tuna zejt, giardiniera, salad, ġbejna, and zejt zabucha, bizarre mel, and some tomato paste, kunserva. Bye guys, thank you. See you soon. Englishman in Malta. Watch out for the adventures. Some great ones coming up.
I'm Englishman from Malta, and I will show you all the signs. So please subscribe to my channel and give me lots of likes.